Hi, I'm Sean with Catalina Rug, and in this video we're going to cover Kashan rugs. So Kashan rugs are arguably one of the most popular types of Persian rugs, I would say after Tabriz. And in this video we're going to go over where they came from because they have a really nice long history. And we'll go over some of their key characteristics, we'll go over their material, their knot density, their design, their colors. And so if you're looking for Kashan rugs as an option, or you're just looking to learn more about Kashan rugs, then this will be a great video for you to watch. And all that is coming up now. So first, let's go over where Kashan rugs come from. So just like many other types of Persian rugs, Kashan rugs are named after the city that they're woven in, which is the city of Kashan. So the city of Kashan is one of the oldest cities in Iran, and the history of rug weaving in that region goes back all the way to the 17th century during the Safavid rule of the Persian Empire. And something really interesting about Kashan rugs is that when the Safavid rulers went on vacation, they went on holiday, they usually went to Kashan as their holiday destination. And when they went there, they had these large vacation homes, and these vacation homes had luxurious architecture and many luxurious decor, including these Kashan rugs that were made specifically for the loyalty for their vacation homes. So now let's go over some of the key characteristics of Kashan rugs, starting with the material. So the material used in Kashan rugs is typically 100% wool for the pile, and the wool that they use is imported from Manchester, which is really high quality. And sometimes the older Kashans, they actually have silken wool, but that's typically found in older Kashans. And the foundation of Kashan rugs is typically made of cotton. So now let's go over the design of Kashan rugs. So when it comes to the design, Kashan rugs typically stick with this very traditional Kashan design, and they don't have too much variety compared to, let's say, Tabriz. So the typical design you're going to see is a medallion design, which is the centerpiece, the medallion. And also you're going to see the medallion-corner design, which is a medallion in the center and then four corner pieces that are typically the same color as the medallion. Also, you're going to see Shah Abassi floral patterns throughout the rug, which is pretty popular. And there's another design called Dar Bari, which is kind of rare, which is the rug doesn't really have a border, and I believe it's created, and it's called Dar Bari because it was created for kings. And another thing that's interesting about Kashan rugs is that the 5x7 or smaller, kind of smaller size Kashan rugs, they do come with more variety of designs. So in those type of sizes, you might find a tree of life, vase design, and just patterns with a lot of birds in them. So they do have more variety when you're looking at smaller size Kashans compared to the larger ones. Now let's go over the colors that you're gonna see in Kashan rugs. So typically Kashan likes to use the deeper red colors and navy blue and cream. So those are the three dominant colors that you're gonna find in Kashan rugs. And as far as the highlight goes, you're gonna see more variety. So you're gonna see blues and beige and some orange and red colors and yellow. And as far as the newer Kashan rugs, you're gonna see more pastel and softer colors. There's also some Kashan rugs, although it's pretty rare, that have the yellow background, like the field color is yellow or it's green, but that is pretty rare. Typically, you're gonna find those three primary colors, which is deep red, navy blue, and cream. So there's also a lot of famous workshops that hail from Kashan. As an example, some of the workshops are Dabir, Alakmandi, Taj, and Atai, and a lot of these workshop names are difficult to pronounce. So if you look at the different type of Kashan rugs that have signature, these are the ones that are coming from different workshops throughout Kashan. So this concludes our video on Kashan rugs. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you like to learn more about Kashan rugs and see a collection of Kashan rugs, then I invite you to head over to our website, catalinarug.com, and look up our Kashan rugs collection. There you can find a lot more information and watch videos on Kashan rugs and look at all the different options that you have. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, then I invite you to like, to subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in the next video.